Hi, hello, good afternoon to everyone. Myself, B. Nandaksha Nayak from second year Civil IDP. I am now going to teach you about the types of batteries. So, in our day-to-day life, we are going to use number of types of batteries. So, in that we kindly divided into two types of batteries. One is primary battery and another is secondary battery. So, now let us know how they are used. We have all used a cell or battery in our life, be it in our TV remotes, video games, AC remotes, AC batteries, or cars, or your mobile phone batteries. So, naturally, the use and preference of our battery in our lives are simply undenied. But having you ever wondered about the technical meaning and applications of the battery? Fear not. Here we are help you to understand these techniques and associated with batteries. So now we will differentiate between primary cell and a secondary cell. Primary batteries are not non-rechargeable batteries that generate electrical energy through chemical reactions once. So here the energy, the chemical energy was produced using the electrical energy. So once in the primary battery we have a scenario that if once we use it we cannot use for many times. So example of primary cells are Daniell cell, dry cell and mercury cell. Next, secondary battery are recharge batteries that can store and release electrical energy multiple times. So some examples of secondary cells are lead acid cells, stored lead cells and nickel cadmium, etc. Now, some important characteristics for batteries. Voltage, the potential difference between the technical terminals of the battery. Capacity, the amount of charge or energy that the battery can store or deliver. Energy density of the amount of energy that can be stored. The amount of charge or energy that the battery can store or deliver. Next, what is energy density? The amount of energy that battery can store per unit volume. Power density, the amount of power that the battery can deliver per unit volume or mass. Efficiency, it is an important characteristic of battery, the ratio of the output energy to the input energy of the battery. Next, there are other some important characteristics that are C rating, charging voltage, discharge current, cutoff voltage and C life. Here the C rating is the measure of rate of charge or discharge of the battery. Next, charging voltage, the voltage applied to the battery to charge it. Discharge current, the current flowing of the battery during the discharge. Next, very important characteristics of battery is shelf life, the duration for which the battery can be stored without losing its performance. So we need to select the battery which is used for our purpose should have very shelf life, so it can work for us for a long duration of time. Next, cycle life, the number of times the battery can be charged and discharged before its capacity drops significantly. So these are some important characteristics of the battery that we use in our day-to-day life. So thank you for this.